The event industry is booming. More people are attending conferences, festivals and sporting events than ever. This growth, however, comes at a cost. Events consume vast amounts of resources and generate significant waste. The need for sustainable practices is more important than ever. Organisers are increasingly aware of their impact. They are looking for ways to reduce their environmental footprint. This focus on sustainability is not just good for the planet, it is also good for business. Sustainable events can attract attendees and enhance brand reputation. ISO 20121 is an international standard. It provides a framework for sustainable event management. The standard covers all types of events. It can be used by event organisers, venues and suppliers. ISO 20121 is based on a Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. The standard emphasises stakeholder engagement. Published in 2012, ISO 20121 has gained global recognition. It's a significant step toward a sustainable future for events. Adopting ISO 20121 offers numerous benefits to event organisers. Implementing the standard demonstrates a commitment to sustainability. This can enhance brand image and reputation among attendees, sponsors and the public. ISO 20121 helps identify opportunities for cost reduction through waste minimization, energy efficiency, and responsible procurement practices. In a world where sustainability is increasingly important, ISO 20121 certification can provide a competitive edge in attracting clients and attendees. Engaging stakeholders is a key aspect of ISO 20121. This fosters positive relationships with suppliers, communities and attendees. Some organizations prefer or require partners with sustainability certifications. ISO 20121 can open doors to new markets and business opportunities. Overall, adopting ISO 20121 is a strategic decision. It can lead to a more sustainable and successful event. ISO 20121 outlines specific requirements for a sustainable event management system. These requirements are divided into several key areas. This section requires organizations to define their sustainability policy and identify their stakeholders. Top management must demonstrate commitment to sustainability and provide the necessary resources. Organizations need to identify environmental, social and economic impacts. They must set objectives and targets for improvement. This section covers resource management, competence, awareness and communication. It ensures the organization has the tools to implement the standard effectively. This section focuses on managing the event's operational impacts, including waste, energy, water and transportation. Organizations must monitor and measure their sustainability performance. They must conduct audits to ensure compliance. The standard emphasizes continuous improvement. Organizations need to identify opportunities to enhance their sustainability performance over time. By addressing these requirements, event organizers can create a comprehensive framework for sustainable practices. Section 5, the certification process. Achieving ISO 20121 compliance. Achieving ISO 20121 certification involves a multi-step process. The first step is to conduct a gap analysis. Organizations develop and implement a sustainability management system, conduct an internal audit to verify compliance. An accredited certification body then audits the system. If successful, the organization receives ISO 20121 certification. Periodic surveillance audits ensure ongoing compliance. Certification demonstrates a commitment to sustainability. Section 6, Real-World Success Stories, ISO 20121 in action. Numerous organizations worldwide have successfully implemented ISO 20121. They are reaping the benefits of sustainable event management. For instance, the London Organising Committee set a new standard for sustainable events. They achieved ISO 20121 certification by focusing on waste reduction, energy efficiency and sustainable sourcing. Another example is, this renowned music festival has a long-standing commitment to sustainability. They implemented ISO 20121 with initiatives for waste management, renewable energy and ethical food sourcing. And let's not forget, FIFA has incorporated sustainability requirements into its bid process for the World Cup. Host countries are encouraged to achieve ISO 20121 certification for the tournament. These examples demonstrate the versatility of ISO 20121. The standard can be applied to events of all sizes and types. Section 7. Environmental impact, reducing the carbon footprint of events. Events can have a significant environmental impact. ISO 20121 helps organizations minimize this impact. It focuses on key areas. Waste management. The standard encourages waste reduction, reuse and recycling. This minimizes the amount of waste sent to landfills. Energy efficiency. ISO 20121 promotes energy efficiency measures. This includes using renewable energy sources and reducing energy consumption during events. Sustainable transportation. The standard encourages the use of sustainable transportation options. This includes public transportation, cycling and electric vehicles. This reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Water conservation. ISO 20121 promotes water conservation measures. It helps reduce water consumption during events. By addressing these areas, event organizers can significantly reduce the environmental footprint of their events. Section 8. Social responsibility. Promoting inclusivity and ethical practices. ISO 20121 goes beyond environmental considerations. It promotes social responsibility, accessibility. The standard ensures events are accessible to people with disabilities. Diversity and inclusion. ISO 20121 encourages diversity and inclusion in all aspects of event management. Local community engagement. The standard emphasizes engaging with the local community. This includes sourcing goods and services locally and minimizing disruption to residents. Ethical procurement. ISO 20121 promotes ethical procurement practices. This ensures that goods and services are sourced responsibly. By implementing these practices, event organizers can create more socially responsible events. Section 9. Economic benefits, driving efficiency and sustainable growth. Adopting ISO 20121 brings economic benefits. Cost savings. Sustainable practices often lead to cost savings. This includes reduced waste disposal costs, lower energy consumption, and efficient resource management. Increased efficiency. Implementing a sustainability management system streamlines operations. This leads to increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced brand reputation. Sustainability is a key driver of consumer preference. A strong reputation for sustainability can attract attendees and sponsors. This can boost revenue and market share. New business opportunities. ISO 20121 certification can open doors to new markets and partnerships. Some organizations prefer or require suppliers to have sustainability credentials. Innovation. The standard encourages innovation in sustainable event management. It creates opportunities for new products, services, and business models. By embracing sustainability, event organizers can drive economic growth while minimizing their environmental impact. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing sustainability with ISO 20121. ISO 20121 provides a comprehensive framework for sustainable event management. By adopting this standard, event organizers can minimize their environmental impact. They can promote social responsibility and drive economic benefits. The standards focus on stakeholder engagement, continuous improvement, and performance evaluation ensures a holistic approach to sustainability. Implementing ISO 20121 is not only good for the planet, but also makes good business sense. As the events industry continues to grow, embracing sustainability is no longer optional. It is essential. ISO 20121 provides the roadmap for organizations to create events that are both memorable and sustainable.